I have yet to test it out. Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog, but this time I'll be doing an unboxing of the H6 6-track portable recorder by Zoom. Before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the recorder with my own money. Okay, all right. Zoom H6 I purchased from B&H for $299. Also, I heard it needs a memory card, so I went ahead and purchased the SanDisk Extreme Pro. Only cost me $19.99. Before I open the box, I would like to read what's outside the box. Zoom H6 6-track portable recorder with interchangeable mics. So I'm guessing I'm getting this mic and this mic. Applications, music, video, USB interface, field recording. Features, you have the 4 XLR TRS inputs, 6-channel recording, superior 24-bit 96K HZ audio, compressor, limiter, and low cut filter, individual gain controls, 6-in, 2-out USB interface, tilted 2-inch LCD screen, 20 plus hours with 4 times AA batteries, supports up to 128 gigs with SD-XC cards. There you go, that's the feature. And just the back is just explaining you and showing you other accessories. Designed by Zoom in Japan, assembled in China. Okay, no more in the box. All right, you have the handy operation manual, and you have the Zoom itself. Okay, so the case have sponges or foams to protect the machine and the recorder. Wow, this feels heavy and solid. Okay, this is the mic, one of the mic. This is the XY mic capsule. Okay, this is heavy duty, y'all, heavy duty. Feels solid. You got the knobs here from 0 to 10. I must say, this is a very nice build, you know. This is not as heavy as this one. This is heavier than this one. So this one is was labeled as mid-size mic capsule. Okay, you have the right here and the left here. Okay, high quality, the way it looks, the way it feels. But this one, the XY mic capsule, is heavier. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, USB cable, and it's mini. Oh, it comes with 4 AA batteries, which is good. I appreciate that. It's alkaline. And this is the foam windscreen. Okay. Last but not least, the recorder, the actual H6. Finally get to open this. So let's start with this is the slot for the memory card. I'm thinking this is the XLR, where you put the XLR. I also bought a XLR by Roland 2-inch screen, volume. Okay. I guess this is the on and off switch, and you have the hold. Also have the speaker. I guess this is the internal speaker. Oh, this is cool. You see, they have this. I'm thinking this is the slot where you could put it on the tripod. There you go. Got the battery slots. Now I don't know what's this about, but you have the menu here, and you have the USB slot here. Okay, and on the front you have the line out and the remote slot. I guess that's an additional accessory. So I really don't know much about this. That's why I'm just unboxing it. On my next vlog, we'll definitely be using this and my pod mic. How does this feel to me? It feels plastic, but this part here feels metal or steel. The knobs. Okay. Left and right. You have the stop, play, record, rewind, forward, left, right, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm looking forward to use this on my next vlog. So yeah, that was the unboxing. My final thoughts. I love the protective case, or the carrying case. This is a plus. I appreciate that. From the way it looks and the way it feels, this is a high quality portable recorder. I do not know if it can withstand being dropped. I don't know the levels of the shockproof, or if it's even a shockproof. It's very portable, so when you want to record or you want to interview someone, you could do so discreetly. I think it will fit in your pocket. Unless you have skinny jeans, then you'll have a problem. I think it's an investment. So there you go. That's my final thoughts. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video, subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on the comment box. Thank you for watching. Hey world, we got a summer sale going on at www.dosos.clothing. Fully custom made that hat. We have the Stack Dollars tee right on the website. Free shipping at www.dosos.clothing. And once again, this is ML from Kadirs.tv. Hello world. Bye world. Peace.